could hear breaths, literally.
Okay, if you are in here, I would like you to touch this antenna. It says cellar or bale cellar. It knows we're in the cellar, and it says bale cellar.
Does bail out of the cell?
Bale, B-A-I-L.
Yes, I'm saying you need to.
I'm okay with bailing out of the cellar.
Yeah.
So if you're in here, can you please touch that red light? Let me know you're in here.
Back of my neck. Holy shit.
Is it okay?
Yes, it's the hand on the back of my neck is as hot as anything. I just can't stand there. Okay.
He's on me right now. I feel him. He's on my back. Come on over here. You'll feel
I
him.
mean, literally hot hand.
He's on my back.
I don't have the other camera with me.
I'm just not showing it, so.
You feel
Step
anything?
away from it for just a sec.
If you snapshot me, you might get a double face or a double figure. He's on me.
That much. Okay.
Just say hello.
See it there. Hi.
Window
someone here?
enjoy. Thank you.
Enjoy the window is what it said.
Oh,
Enjoy window.
The cool air. Thank you.
That's you get such relevant words out of that.
that's a German machine. Itchy.
Enjoy window. People who say the Ovilus isn't, you know, when it says bail the cellar or enjoy the window.
Yeah. But it was made in this one was made in the US.
Is there something you want to tell us?